Is CoConstruct the best choice for small construction firms? If you're a small construction business owner looking for a tool to streamline your projects, enhance client communication, and make sure every detail is tracked, you're probably wondering if CoConstruct is right for you. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll break down everything you need to know about CoConstruct to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your business. First off, CoConstruct is a construction management software that focuses on streamlining project management, client communication, and financial tracking. It's designed for custom builders, remodelers, and contractors, but the question remains, is it the best option for small firms? Let's jump into it. The main selling point of CoConstruct is its all-in-one platform, combining project management, scheduling, budgeting, and client communication tools. For small construction firms, having everything in one place can save you time and prevent you from juggling multiple platforms. You can manage everything from estimating costs to tracking progress and communicating with clients in one central hub. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Many small construction firms are worried about how complex these platforms can be, but CoConstruct is actually pretty user-friendly. It offers a simple, intuitive interface that doesn't require a steep learning curve. That being said, you might need some initial training or support to get the most out of the platform, but once you're up and running, it's smooth sailing. Another important point is cost. CoConstruct isn't the cheapest option out there, but it's designed with small construction firms in mind. It offers tiered pricing, which means you can choose a plan that fits your business's needs. Keep in mind, while it's not the most affordable software for smaller businesses, the features it offers may justify the cost, especially if you're looking for a comprehensive solution to handle multiple aspects of your projects. The fourth thing to consider is the customization options. One of the standout features of CoConstruct is its ability to be tailored to your business. From custom templates to personalized client portals, you can make this software fit your workflow. This is especially beneficial for small firms that have specific processes and want a tool that adapts to them, not the other way around. Next, let's talk about client communication. CoConstruct offers a client portal where your clients can access project updates, schedules, and documents. This can be a game changer for small firms because it allows you to keep clients in the loop without the need for constant emails or phone calls. It improves transparency and helps you maintain strong client relationships, which is crucial in the construction business. Finally, let's discuss the mobile app. With construction happening on site, having a mobile app that lets you manage projects on the go is a huge plus. CoConstruct's app is highly rated for its ability to let you view and update projects, manage schedules, and communicate with clients directly from your phone. This is a feature that small construction businesses can definitely benefit from, as it allows you to stay on top of your work no matter where you are. In conclusion, is CoConstruct the best choice for small construction firms? It's definitely a solid option if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that streamlines your projects and communication. While it may not be the cheapest, its customization, ease of use, and comprehensive features make it worth considering. Before you go, don't forget that you can try CoConstruct for free by using the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses just for you. This extended free trial is a great way to test out all the features and see if CoConstruct is the right fit for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive trial.